Maybe you want to get into PC gaming and you're hesitant because you heard different rumors that are negative that are kind of holding you back from making that leap, jumping in and getting involved in PC gaming. Well, today I'm going to do my best to take 10 of the most common myths about PC gaming and hopefully put your mind at ease. And if you want to, well, maybe get involved. Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech5. Today we are going to be looking at the 10 most common myths surrounding PC gaming. Now, if you are wanting to get into the space and you really don't know what the truth is, you've heard this and that and the other about PC gaming and it sounds negative, you're scared to do it, I'm going to try to take the 10 most common here and debunk them for you using the information I have in my experience. I'm going to try to help you guys out here today. So if you're considering getting into PC gaming, you're interested in that and you're kind of hesitant, well, stick around. Maybe I'll solve some of your questions that you might have, well, concerning PC gaming. Now for our first myth is PC gaming is expensive. And it's true. It can be expensive. It can get really expensive. That's if you're trying to get the best of the best. If you're just someone trying to get into PC gaming, it can actually be quite affordable. You can go out here and you can build PCs for less than what these consoles are going for, these newer ones, these PlayStation 5s, Xbox Series X, and have a computer that can really play just about whatever you want to play at 1080p and be doing just fine. I mean, I've done this myself. I have a video here, you can check it out, where I go out, I get a PC for 250 bucks and it runs just anything I wanted to run at 1080p, medium to high settings, depending on the game. Plus, PC games have a lot more affordable options for games. Now, one of these resources you may have heard of is Steam. Steam has sales all the time for different games, and they are constantly adding new and free games. Another place to look for free games that can even be AAA games would be Epic Games Launcher. Now, some may consider this launcher a piece of, well, you know, but I don't mind it, and I certainly don't mind the free games I've been able to pick up from it. So our next myth says that you need the top of the line to enjoy PC gaming. Guys, this is not true. While it's nice to have the top of the line and you can push those graphics up to high, ultra, and see the prettiness and greatness that PC gaming can be in its entirety, it's still not necessary to enjoy good and popular games, guys. I've shown you guys this, the 1050 Ti, that PC that I had in the last clip. It was able to even play Cyberpunk on low mid settings, guys, and still look good and do it. Guys, you don't need the best of the best to play PC games. You don't. You can get out there and play them and enjoy them and have fun. It doesn't just have to be Roblox, I promise. It doesn't. It doesn't. Throw this myth in the garbage. Number 3. PC gaming is complicated. It's not. It's not. We're moving on to the next one. JK, the truth is, I know people believe you have to have some technical know-how in order to run a computer, and you really don't. It's not very complicated. If you can handle installing a game on these newer consoles, you can certainly handle it on a computer. And if you don't know how to do it, there's plenty of people on the YouTube just like me that are willing to help you out, give you a tutorial, walk you through on how to do this. There's so many videos on the YouTube university. I mean, I've literally, I built a house using YouTube. You can figure out anything. Now, you obviously need a high refresh rate monitor to play PC games. You have to have that. You don't need a high refresh rate monitor. You really don't, and it's true that it can help on high level gaming and competitive gaming. It can give you a slight edge if you are using one and your competitors are not. So there's some truth to that. It can help, but you don't have to have it, guys. I'm telling you, there's plenty of different games that are gonna be locked at 60 frames a second. And when that's the case, your refresh rate's not gonna do too much anyways, even if you have a high one. So guys, I wouldn't really be worrying about this too much at all. This should not deter you in any sort of way. You can play plenty of these single player games, like one of my favorite, Fallout New Vegas, and just enjoy torturing townsfolk Number 5, PC gaming is only for hardcore gamers. Listen, if you believe that PC gaming is only for hardcore gamers, I got news for you, buddy. I'm not one, and I love to game. Now, there's plenty of people that go in and they take it to the next level. They get real competitive and they are over alternating settings and doing advanced stuff. Maybe they're even using aimbots and yada, yada, yada. Guys, there's extremes to every levels, to anything you want to do. But I'm here to tell you, you don't have to be a hardcore gamer in order to enjoy PC gaming. Guys, I play games all the time. I don't do all these crazy setting tricks. I don't care. I'm having fun. I'm enjoying what I'm doing. And sometimes I do like to do some competitive stuff, but it's never that serious for me. You don't have to be hardcore. Because you're not hardcore. Unless you live hardcore. And the legend of the rent was way hardcore. Number 6, PC gaming's not portable. Guys, I gotta tell you, I gotta hold the phone, I gotta pause it. There's plenty of options out there for making PC gaming portable. They've got gaming laptops, mini computers, handheld computers, Steam Deck, hello. There are so many options to have a small portable PC device if that's what you wanted. Now guys, back in the day, I didn't care about that kind of stuff. I've had plenty of LAN parties with WoW nerds that I used to play with that would lug their big bulky computers around just to be playing in the same room with their buddies. And on that same token, you know, there's nothing more fun than I've ever had in gaming than having LAN parties. I remember doing this with my buddies, playing Halo 2 and just having one Xbox in one room, one Xbox in the other with the long Ethernet cable, playing against our buddies. Guys, come on. If you want to make it happen, you can make it happen, Captain. PC gaming can absolutely be portable. So many options out there. Guys, if you're looking for some of these portable options, again, I got videos for them. Check them out. Here you go. Number 7, PC gaming is not as social as console gaming. Guys, I gotta tell you, I have more social capabilities than I ever had with console. Now, I love a good Xbox party chat, but I'm here to tell you, I've got Discord, I've got Xbox party chat. I can talk to any of my friends on Xbox. Check this out right here. Guys, I've got everything. I can talk to people on Xbox. I can talk to people on Discord playing their games, whatever it is that they're doing. That's just a social hub right there. Discord's amazing. I can talk to people on 3 different platforms at the same time, being that Xbox, Discord, and game chat of whatever game I'm playing. I can even add more. I've never had more social capability than I have now. It just hasn't happened. I can talk to everyone at any time. Number 8, PC gaming is not as reliable as it is on console. Now, guys, I would have to say this is completely false. There's a few different reasons why. Where you have PC games, you are able to go into files and do troubleshooting and try to find the issue. Whereas consoles, you can't get into the actual game file and alternate different settings and file names and try to change things and really do troubleshooting yourself, where you have much more freedom with a computer if something does go wrong. Now, there are frequent updates that happen. It seems like they happen a bit more on the PC as well. So if there are issues, they seem to be solved much quicker on PC than they do for consoles. I don't know where this rumor even comes from, guys. There's way more freedom to try and troubleshoot yourself. There's much more updates that happen on PCs. And while I don't have an exact example in mind, I frequently find myself choosing to play on my computer instead of my PlayStation 5. So do with that what you will. Myth number 5 is you need to be good at keyboard and mouse in order to enjoy PC gaming. Guys, that's not true. You can use a controller.
Oh my God, what is that?
I use this controller fairly often depending on the game that I'm playing. Some games I do prefer keyboard and mouse. I just feel like I'm better at it. But guys, you don't have to be good at keyboard and mouse to play any games. You can hook up really anything to your computer. You can hook up an Xbox controller, you can hook up a PlayStation, you can hook up that little Nintendo controller. Guys, there's so much freedom. Let it ring. You have options. With the PC, you don't have to be good at keyboard and mouse. You can use a controller if that's what you want to do. Use it. You can. Our last myth is you need to know how to build PCs in order to play PC games. That's not true. I love building PCs. I do. I think it's great. I think it's a rewarding experience. I think it's a fantastic time to build your own PC and the accomplishments that come with it. But some people don't care about that. Some people don't want to know how to, and that's fine. That's completely okay. There are options for you, pre-built PCs that you can choose from. And if you don't know what parts to look for, I've done the work for you here. I put out a video right here, you can check it out. I go step by step showing you what to look for, what to do, what you want, and give you different options for whatever it is you're trying to accomplish in PC gaming. I did the work, you don't have to. It's here for you. All you gotta do is just click it. I try to help you out here, guys. I even give you links to it. So if you're looking for it, you're in the market, guys. I hope I've helped you today. I hope I've debunked these things. That's all I got. I'll catch you in the next one. We'll see ya. Just ski it. Just ski it.